Beauty tips everybody needs to know or everybody should know. Guys, remember that everybody is beautiful in each or her own way, but it's only when you discover your unique beauty that will be the best and key for you. Guys, to look better and beautiful with natural look without makeup, guys, here is what you gonna do. Okay, tip number one. Okay, before then, I gonna show you the things I'm using, as in when you just want to go without, as in makeup, and you will still look beautiful and natural. These the tips you need to take. So I gonna tell you the things I use, which is yeah. So watch us do this. The things you gonna use is not all the time you will be applying makeup for your face to keep shining and looking more younger. This is what you need to do. Yes. So first of all, what I'm using here is my miracle water, as in face cleansing water, with my cotton pad. Guys, use this to, as in clean your face. You might think you finished taking your bed, that there is nothing like any particle on your face, that your face is quite neat. But I tell you, as in your face is not neat till you use this to clean your face. This is miracle water, face cleansing water. Guys, use it with, as in cotton pad, to clean your face. You will see nyama nyama that will come out from your face, guys. And make sure you clean your, as in your nose very well, as in, because it's where some particle hide, both oil and everything. Make sure you clean it thoroughly. Okay, yeah, and after cleaning it, allow it to dry. Yeah, you can still use fan to dry your hair, or dryer to dry your face. So that's, yeah. So the next tip here is to, as in, as I say, you need to use hand fan to dry your face. So the next tip here is, as in, to allow your face to be dry. So what are we gonna apply next? So this is modifying sweat and oil control. Yeah. So if, because it's oil that causes all this heat and dirty face. Yes, for you to, as in, make your face to be looking more younger and beautiful without makeup, here are the things you need to apply. So this one is now for, as in, sweat and oil. You can use it to moisturize your face in order not to get much oil on your face. That's it. And the next thing I'm using here is fascia massager. So this thing will help you to massage your face. It will help it go more smoother. Yeah, guys, better absorption of skincare. Guys, this is very good. It can help you to moisturize and, as a, massage your face. You can use it to massage your face to make it look more smoother and better. So go get it. So the next tip I gonna show you here gonna shockerize you guys. If you've never been trying all these, guys, I've never finished, but just look at how my face is glittering. It's not must you go for makeup always, still your face will still be blinking and looking nice. Okay, the third tips here is white powder. White powder, guys, if you don't have it, go get it. It's not all the time you'll be applying certain powder, foundation. No, for you to start looking more younger or youthful, Guys, this is what you need. Even makeup at times can make you look more older if care is not taken. But sometimes go without makeup, go natural, and the things that can help your face to be looking as in beautiful and better. This is it. So after using this facial massager, just make sure you clean it very well and put it back to the pack for the further use. So guys, here is it. You can get any type you need. So the fourth tips here is to apply balm or Vaseline on your eyebrows to uplift and moisturize it, as in to promote it to growth, to look more natural and and more better. So another thing here is to moisturize your lip. So you need to use lip balm or lip oil. So for it's applying lip balm or lip oil on your lips can make it more soft, smoother, and also hydrate your lips. So that's it. So the next chapter here is to prepare ourselves to look flawless. Guys, these the tips that can help you to grow your face to look more natural, better and beautiful, even more youthful. Guys, that's it. Okay, let's dress up to check how we looked. So to check if when you apply makeup and now, which one do you prefer? So let's dress up. So before I go further to dress up, let me pick the color from this suite. This is Lollipop. So I'm gonna pick the color I wanna put on from this Lollipop. So check out to see the color I gonna go with. So that's it. So green goes, yes, yellow also goes. So all was and no play made just a dull boy. Guys, look at the way I gonna put on. So guys, I gonna give you another tips that doesn't correspond with my natural look and all that. So this one will marvel you when I mean. Okay, let's dive into that. Guys, this one is tips that can help you look more younger and natural when you are above 35 to 40. The kind of wear you need to be putting on, especially when you've already 30, clock 30, 35, 40. Pick your clothes here. Guys, if you still want to look more fresh, more youthful, more matured, guys, you need to apply these tips. And guys, if you need more mature clothes like this, DM me. Guys, share for others to learn and subscribe. Thank you. Hope this is helpful for you. Thanks.